How to enter 8949 on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Form 8949 is used to report capital gains and losses from investments like stocks, crypto, real estate, and other property. The first thing you want to do is gather your documents such as 1099-B, crypto reports, records of real estate sales. Now, Form 8949 records the details of your capital assets, sales, or exchanges. When you enter investment sales or exchanges from Form 1099-B or 1099-S in TurboTax, it will automatically fill out Form 8949 and transfer the info into Schedule D, which means you don't need to fill out the 8949 yourself. If you're paper filing your return, Form 8949 will simply be included with all of your other tax forms when you print out. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.